I'm Bob, and your phone knows more about you than your best friend does. Your passwords, your bank, your photos, your location, all sitting behind one little screen. The question is, did you actually lock the door? Most folks our age set up their phone once and never touch the security settings again. I was the same way. My password was my birthday, which, let's be honest, isn't exactly classified information. Then my buddy Frank got his email hacked. They got into his bank account the same afternoon. Frank did everything right his whole life, and one weak password cost him 3 weeks of stress and a frozen bank account. That scared me enough to finally sit down and fix my own phone. Here are 5 things you can do right now. Each one takes about a minute. I timed them. Step 1. Fix your password. Pick 4 random words, toss in a number and a symbol. Something like Sunny Coffee Blue Garden 24. It's long, it's strong, and you'll actually remember it. No more birthdays. No more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 2. Turn on two-factor authentication. This is the big one. Even if someone steals your password, they can't get in without a code from your phone. Open your browser, go to myaccount.google.com/security, and flip on two-step verification. Google walks you right through it. 1 minute, and your email becomes a fortress. Step 3. Check your app permissions. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Tap through Location, Camera, Microphone, and look at which apps have access. If a flashlight app is using your microphone, that's a red flag. Shut it off. Step 4. Back up your phone. Every photo of your grandkids, every message, every contact. If you lose your phone tomorrow, it's all gone, unless you backed it up. On iPhone, Settings, tap your name at the top, iCloud, and turn on the important stuff. That's it. Your memories are safe now. Step 5. Delete the apps you never use. Old apps you forgot about? Some of them are still tracking you in the background. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. See what you haven't opened in months. Delete it. Your phone gets faster and your privacy gets stronger. Win-win. Look, nobody taught our generation about digital security. We learned to lock our front doors, check our car tires, keep our wallets close. This is the same thing, just for the world we live in now. 5 minutes today can save you months of headaches tomorrow. If I can lock my phone down at 67, you've got this. We put out tips like this every week. Plain English, no tech jargon, just the stuff that actually matters. Follow us so you never miss an update. We are Cindy and Bob. Take care, y'all.